Hi, I will tell you how to remove duplicates images from your folder. First step, you need to install fdupes. Brew, install fdupes. I already installed it, so I don't need new version. Then you need SD to stamps. To your folder in which you want to remove duplicates images. Then you need fdupes -a space dot to see duplicates images. Found 3 duplicate images, one copy. This is this and that. So you need to remove second and third and must remain the first. So you need to do fdupes minus a d n space dot. So this image remained, and we remove two other duplicated images. We are proudly present the best productivity app in the world. This is Playbacks app. You can watch videos at different playback speeds directly from your browser. Playbacks support YouTube, TED Talks, Vimeo, Facebook, iTunes, U, and many other. So let's try. I opened YouTube video and I want to increase playback speed by 100%. So let's start. Set playback speed. I choose double rate. Press done. Voila! All links are in the description. Please download this app and save a lot of time. All productivity experts are highly recommended this app.